Hi, I'm Felice from HubSpot, and today I'm going to explain what a landing page is. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Post any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. In the context of websites and digital marketing, a landing page is a web page specifically designed for a company to capture a contact's information. Usually, this is in exchange for some sort of offer, like an ebook, template, or a video. However, it can also be in exchange for more information on a company through a demo, meeting, or over-the-phone consultation. Ultimately, the goal of a landing page is a conversion, or the exchange of a visitor's information for a company's offer. Landing pages get this information through a form on the page, but just because a web page has a form on it does not make it a landing page. For example, a blog post might have a form for someone to subscribe, but the goal of that blog post should be to first and foremost educate readers, not to convert them. The best landing pages are optimized to get that conversion, typically through images, specific details about the offer, and reasons why the offer can be helpful to the visitor. Once a website visitor fills out that form, they're typically sent an email with more information on what the visitor was hoping to learn more about, and then redirected to what's called a thank you page, a new web page where they can also access more information. This completes what's called the conversion path. The visitor goes to the landing page, fills out the form, and then is given the information via email and a new web page. Simple as that. Need some additional help getting started with landing pages? Click the link in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Let me know how your landing pages are doing in the comments below.